Hello my lovely people, my name is Marina and I'm a holiday addict. But today I have a little bit different video. It's nothing to do with a holiday. I'm going to be actually cooking tonight, but it's going to be an international dish. Well, idea come from my husband. He said, oh, you didn't cook your Russian beetroot salad for quite a long time. And I thought, oh, why I don't make a video about how to cook Russian beetroot salad? A lot of people know, oh, beetroot, Russians eat a lot of beetroot, but I don't think a lot of people know what this actually is. Plus, if you're vegetarian or even if you're vegan, you can eat it. It's very easy to do, it's very cheap, very quick, and I make very short video. If you think it has nothing to do with my channel, you're not interested, leave a comment and I'm not going to be doing any more cooking ones. But if you think that is quite interesting, I'm gonna do all different ones for different countries. I can do like Montenegrin dishes, Russian dishes, maybe some British, Welsh. Just let me know what you think. So, I'm cooking beetroot salad. It's called селедка под шубой, which is exactly translate is herring under the fur. But normally when I cook it, I don't put herring. I love herring, but not in the salad. I always do the fur. I don't know why it's called fur, but there it is. So what would you need? You need boiled carrots, boiled potatoes, boiled beetroot, boiled eggs. If you're vegan, I put here nuts because you can use grated nuts instead of eggs. And you need the mayonnaise. It's a normal mayonnaise, but if you're vegan, just use a vegan mayonnaise. So this is the only simple ingredient you need. Another little thing, salad bowl. So you can use any really salad bowl, but I prefer something with a square bottom, you know, like even, or even something clear, but again square, for simple reason that this is a layered salad. So if you don't have round bowl, if you have a square bowl, it will be really nice to have all the layers on it. And if you have a glass bowl, a clear glass bowl, you can actually see all the layers. It just looks pretty. You don't have to have it, but I think it looks nice. So there you have it, Russian beetroot salad, which we call shuba. And when I was telling you about the glass bowl, look, you can see all the layers, potatoes, carrots, mayonnaise. If you leave it to stand for a couple of hours, it's all well soaked in and it's gonna look even nicer. So try it at home and let me know if you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.